So they actually say that installing a solar PV system is actually good.
Are you sure about that?
Come, let's find out.
Hello, Key. Are you busy? Okay, I have a question to ask you. Does installing solar PV system have an impact?
Yes. First, you can save your TNB bills.
Okay.
Ka-ching! And of course, it's a renewable energy, so better for the environment.
I think sure. I think customer, in a way, they feel happy that they save the environment. And the best thing for them is they can save their money from paying a lot to the bills.
Actually, yes. What our customer feedback, they have more money to spend now because the electricity bill is like less than 10 ringgit. They have money to spend, and also they can, utilize their electricity more.
Yeah, of course. I mean, in the recent natural resources, the depletion matters. So I think it's something that we really need to sustain ourselves using renewable energy. And especially now, I think it's a good time for us to join in. Even myself, I actually joined in for solar journey.
So after hearing all of that, what are your thoughts on installing a solar PV system? Leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear them.